If you have got a rectangle shape with an adjustment layer on top of your video clip, and when you move your playhead a bit further ahead, your video underneath the adjustment layer becomes black. And if you would hide the adjustment layer, you could see the video below becomes visible. Then I will show you how to make your video visible again. Select the adjustment layer and then go to the Fusion page. If you have got spline panel opened, close it and instead open the Keyframes panel. Make sure to click on Fit to Screen to make all the horizontal colored bars visible. And then if you will look at the rectangle 1 bar, you could see it's shorter than the other bars, and that's exactly the point after which the video under the adjustment layer becomes black. So all you got to do is to hover your mouse over the right edge of that bar until the cursor changes to a bracket symbol, and then click and drag the edge of that bar all the way to the right so it spans the entire new length of your clip. And now when you go back to the edit page, you could see now the video below the adjustment layer is visible and the problem is now fixed. If you still have any questions, let me know in the comments below.